Thank you so much for watching once and again, guys. Thank you so much for watching another video of my country lifestyle here coming from Yalas here in St. Thomas. Thank you so much for everyone who've been subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to always subscribe as well, guys, to share the video, tell another friend to tell another friend. My country lifestyle starts, guys, right now. In my country lifestyle today, guys, I'm going to be burning a coal Skeal. So first I'm going to be packing, guys. So I've got this space just right over here, getting all ready, guys, you know, to burn the coal Skeal. So right here now, guys, it's time to kind of use a shovel and level off the spots and everything and start setting it up, guys. But you know, I know how to burn things like this. You know, I know how to do this, guys, but a lot of people keep telling me to get a coal man to burn this, to pack this. I know how to do my own stuff, guys, but of course I'm going to need help. No one to help me, but I'm going to pack it myself. So watch me through this video, guys, and watch what I'm going to do now, guys. So I've got some logs over here already, what was already been cut, chopped, and I'm going to use that and pack and see what I can pack, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start, guys. So let us start the video. Alright, guys, yeah, this is some logs that I packed here the other day. So I need to get my gloves and start bringing some of these over, guys, you know. Yes, so if you're going to start the coal Skeal and things like that, you have to bring stick. I don't know how long this is going to take me to set up. I don't think I'm going to do everything in this video, guys, for sure. Don't think so. But if I pack the sticks them in the place where I should pack them, then yeah, I would have been alright to start. But it's just the setup, the setting up and everything needs to set up very well, you know. So right here now, it's good to have it right here, so yeah. But anyway, it's right here, guys. I will need to like level off for the coal bed, guys, you know. They call it a coal Skeal, but it's a bed where you burn the wood, them, guys, and you get the charcoal out of it. You get the burnt coal and everything out of it. The only thing I need to do now is get the shovel and clear out the dirt and make a dirt here, guys, and that is going to help a lot. So need a shovel here to start the work. Getting this spot ready, guys. Let us do it, guys. It's time to clear out. Tough stick. This one is a kasha stick, guys. Kasha. So there we go. This is the beginning of the coal scale, guys. So you see I'm starting to pack it now. Yes, I've been carrying the logs them from over there. It's not easy, guys. I'm bringing them from very far. So that's all you're going to see, guys, is me just keep packing these scale. There's nobody to hold the camera so you can see action, but you'll get to see that we are here at the moment, guys, here in my country lifestyle. So hope you guys are enjoying. And also right here, guys, you must leave a little gap to light it, guys, you know. And this will burn for some days, but this is only a small one as it stands. It's not finished yet, guys. How big is it going to be when I finish? I have no idea, guys. Let's just see. At the front part of the yard, look, we got 2 pigeons over there. Look at them. Those belongs to us, guys. Belongs to the German. Anyway, yeah, so over here now I need to get these logs. Yeah, so these logs over here. Let's have a look. Alright, these are not going to be easy to take, so what I have to do, I'll just have to walk over there. The big ones, them I want to take first. And just take it all the way, guys, you know. Just do it that way. I should be able to do this, guys. You know, shouldn't be a problem for me. And I need to walk across with that, so I should be able to do that. Just walk through here. Don't have to walk there. At least I make a pathway here where I walk through, which is good. And go straight through. And I'll take all the logs them down that side, guys. Yes, guys, so there are some logs I discovered, guys, from in the bush here. Managed to pile them up from here, guys. Pile them up in this pile. So that's not too bad. Anyway, it's not too bad what I'm doing. Those ones I'll deal with that in the next video, guys. You have to look out for that. Yep, I don't have any strength left, guys, because I take a lot from here, guys. And there's more still here, guys. See, I discovered there's a lot more in here, guys. Lot more been cut up in here. And over here could be more as well, guys. Starting to believe that there's more. Yes, so over here, look at these, guys, because I've been throwing a lot of them from over here, guys. Over here, look. So now we have a ton load of them now, guys. We have about a ton of wood we have here now. Yes, all become a ton. There's 1 ton we got now, guys. So yes, you're not going to get to see everything in this video. You will get to see everything in the next video, guys, because it's a lot of work, guys. And plus as well, guys, nobody's helping me to do this. Nobody at all. I do everything myself. Yep. And you know, guys, when you do this type of job, you know, when you are under pressure like this, guys, this is how you know, you will really know who your friends are. This is how it goes, guys. If someone come and say, oh, I'm going to help you, Kirk, and they don't charge me no money, just willing to help. Of course, if someone help me, I'm not going to let them go empty-handed. But when I burn the coal, I mean, they could have a 1 or 2 bag easily. I mean, people do, some have got really good common sense, and they'll come over and help me, guys. But nobody helps me on my own land here. So, and I never stop anybody from coming in this yard. I mean, it is open if anybody wants to come in. Of course, I mean, you come, you ask for the owner, which is me. Yep, I am here. You come and talk to me. Simple as that. There's nothing difficult in it. So what's going to happen now, guys? So in the next video, you're going to see I'm throwing some woods from there, guys. Throwing them over in that pile. And also as well, guys, you are going to also see as well in the next video, you're also going to see me bringing these logs. If I have a wheelbarrow, guys, that would help a lot. I'll just wheelbarrow it and wheelbarrow it down there. That would help a lot to wheelbarrow it down there. But unfortunately, I don't have any wheelbarrows to do that. So that is not going to be easy. These ones are just if you want to like cook anything on the fire or anything like that. So we don't need to worry about that one. I put them there, guys. Those are just fire sticks. So if you want to catch up and cook anything, you can use that. I got my bottle of water here, guys. This was a bottle I was washing out. I was washing this bottle out, guys. But the bottle seems to be clean now. So I can use this to water my plantation as well. Best thing to do is not to waste the water. That's the best thing to do, guys. When we have a bit of rain, I don't think they need watering, but I'm still going to give them water. Even if we had some rain, we still must water them. Just give them a little. You can see that they have water already. They don't really need water. And plus we're going to be getting rain as well, guys. You can see the pineapple them are growing up so nicely. Yes, they're growing up really nicely, guys. Oh, that's a lot better. The bottle smells nice and fresh now, guys. I'm very happy with it now, so I can continue to put some water in this. And I'm going to put it in the freezer, guys. Yes, so the bottom is dirty. I will just wash that off. Yes, so this is really good, guys. Good to go. And I also got some water in the bucket, so I could use some of this water to wash that bottle off. And I need to pick these sweet stops off the tree. I want to pick them on Sunday. Sunday is the best day. Or tomorrow. Yes, I need to pick off the last sweet stop off this tree. There's one and that one as well, guys. I don't know if you guys who's watching around the world, if you got them in your country. Yeah. But these are nice to have now. Sweet stuff. The bird have already eaten one off the tree, guys. Yeah. See how big the land is from here, guys. You don't come at the back here, you can see how huge it is. Imagine here a 3 acre, guys. You know how big a 3 acre is, you know? And this is just the front of my yard, guys, you know? So when you come in, you can bring your car in easily. You just drive and come through this gate, guys. So this is the gate you come through when you drive in. So this is the back part I'm staying at, guys. The front is around the other side where I showed you in the video before. Whoever watched this video and whoever don't watch that video, please catch up on that video as well, guys. Please catch up on my country lifestyle. This is where I'm gonna wrap up the vlog for today. Right in front my own house, right on the land of Bosskirk. This is my own land, my country lifestyle, guys. In the next video, I'm going to be continuing, guys, to burn the coal Skeal. Remember, I am heading to burn a coal Skeal, guys, but it is so much work I've done today, so you did not get to see me burning it. But hopefully in the next video, guys, you're going to see me reach so far in packing it, and hopefully in the next video I can get to burn it, guys. I want you guys to watch this until I burn it, until I draw it, guys, and you will see what we succeed out of that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, share the video, comment, and tell another friend to tell another friend. Always like, guys. And also don't forget to check out DMAC 4K World Tour, Mash Rose Lifestyle, also Wayne Mighty Explorer. Go and check his channel out, and Smiley in the City. Eat with Sam. Go and check out all those channels, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out from Jamaica, here in Yellas, my country lifestyle. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.